Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 17 Pro. In today's video, I will be reviewing the BENKS ArmorGrid case for your 17 Pro. I need to give a shout out to BENKS for actually sending this case out to me for review. I will have the links in the description. You can pick it up from the website and save 15% using the code that will be in the description. They have many different cases. I do have some more coming in that I will be reviewing from BENKS. I've been using them for a few different phones now, and I really do like their case. And I think a lot of people are starting to know who they are and trust them with, protecting their beautiful investment. Like I normally do my reviews to make sure everything lines up. Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? Does it add any bulk? How strong is the magnet? Can you wireless charge? How are the buttons? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. But a nice presentation from them. It says made with Kevlar. If y'all want to pause that, you can definitely do so. Okay. So this one has a little bit, the sides there. It's not open. I know they have a lighter weight case too that I will be reviewing. But I do like the feel. Look at that pattern too. I think you can get this in a blue color too. So like I said, I'll have the links in the description. I like how the buttons are silver. You have a power or a camera button there. Bam, you can tell, look at the camera protection you get. And you do get some lip protection too at the top and the bottom over here, or the top and in the bottom. Let's check out the buttons. Buttons are nice and tactile. Action button works. Camera button, yeah. I would say that's a win. So the camera button is there and it works. I do like how some manufacturers are actually making a button this year, not just a cutout. For me, again, I don't usually use the camera button. I'm usually pressing it thinking it's the power button. So yeah, I do like the little logo there. Bam, and the action button has a little red dot there too. That's pretty cool. Let's see the overall fit. Oh yeah, pretty snug. I mean, a little loose around here. Look at my screen too, it's so bright. It's a little loose around the buttons here, but not, I wouldn't write home about that. And then trying to get this bad boy off, almost broke it there. Try the bottom this time. Let's see. Okay, because, yeah. That fits pretty good too. So the overall fit is really good. It doesn't have bulk. Look at that angle. You can look at that angle. Even like that. I mean, the only thing that has bulk is, say, the camera ring, but overall, it's not a heavy case at all. And I love how the buttons are really strong and work. Can you wireless charge? Again, I don't even think that's the question, really. Like, yes, you can wireless charge. And then the mag, okay. See, I think all the manufacturers are getting better with their magnet. Let's see. Yeah, that is pretty good. Let's find the ultimate test out. Is it one of the strongest? I'm gonna say no, but yeah, it's definitely not one of the strongest magnets, but again, I don't think you're gonna sit here and shake your phone like this and try to get it off. So could it be stronger? I'm gonna tell them yes, but I mean, for everyday use, you're not going to have a problem, or it's not like I wouldn't trust the battery or the magnet strength on here. I mean, the magnet strength for everyday use, I'm gonna say it's pretty good. They even have their own little ring holder there. So yeah, The magnet is doable. Again, could it be stronger? Is it one of the strongest ones we had tried out on the channel? No, but it's definitely doable for the most part. So again, this case, brought it to the lab. It checks off a lot of boxes. I love the power buttons and the vine rockers. All the buttons are nice and tactile. You get camera protection. You have lip protection for your display. The magnet is strong, could be stronger. Again, where I'm gonna give it a little bit of pushback is, what is up with these cameras? I think it's gonna take, if iPhone keeps this design, it might take a year for everyone to have more of a precise cutout. That's the only complaint I could really get on this case. The sides could have a little bit more grip too. A little bit more grip on the sides so it wouldn't be as slippery. But overall, it's a solid case from BENKS. Like I said, check out their website. They have so many different other cases that you can pick up. If you want to pick this case up, look in the description. I will have the links there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 17 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at ForgeReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.